happy. Oh, honey. Honey, are you happy?
Yes, Paris happy.
Oh, gosh, Paris happy. Thumbs up. Good job. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Monday, everyone. Ang ganda ng araw today, guys. Ang ating baby girl ay nandyan, oh. Kakalabas lang namin, guys. It is currently... What is it, anak? It's currently 2 o'clock ng hapon and ngayon lang nagla-lunch break si atin nyo. There's the bubbles in your apple juice. Say hi, friends.
Hey, apple juice and bubbles.
Oh, there's bubbles. Okay, come on. Would you like to check the mailbox? So, very excited kami ni Baby Paris, guys. Kasi, today ay i-open na dito sa Melbourne yung mga playgrounds. For the first time in, what, 3 months, maybe? Yeah, I can't remember anymore, guys. But, yeah, it was a while now nung kinlose nila yung playground. And di ba may playground kami dyan o sa harap lang ng bahay? Dyan. And pumupunta kami sa park lang, sa oval. Naglalaro kami doon pero hindi pwedeng maglaro sa playground kasi yung mga equipments ba? What's that, anak? Yung mga equipments hindi pwedeng laruan. But inopen nila today. So
Momo.
Let's go. Yeah, kaya dinala ni Paris yung ano niya, oh, mga laruan. Where are you going, Nak?
Daddy.
Where?
Daddy.
Where are you going?
I can't touch.
You're going to the park. Is it open now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I got this one.
Yeah, did you say thank you to the police for opening it?
Thank you, please. Opening this press out plastic.
That's right. The police opened Paris's park, yeah?
Press happy.
Oh, Paris happy. Oh, honey. Honey, are you happy?
Yes, press happy.
Oh, gosh, Paris happy. Say thank you, please.
Let's go, please. Let's go back.
For opening the park. Say Paris is happy.
Press happy.
Good girl. Cute na kayo muna ko eh. Mantag makita sa police imong message na.
We go this way.
We'll go that way. Okay. We'll go that way. Come on. Nagdala kami ng ano, guys. Ay, ito pala yung mask ko, guys. Itong mask ko. Bigay pala to ng mami ni Mike. Careful, anak. Bigay ng mami ni Mike. Ayan, pinadala niya sa amin. And then, orange juice. Hindi orange juice. Apple juice para kay Baby Paris. Ala, nanay, kids, nak, oh. Babies are playing, nak, at the park. Ala, inopen na talaga nila, guys. Ala, super exciting, mani, oy. Are you excited, nak?
Look, Mia, look.
Oh, are you walking backwards?
I'm good.
Wow, such a talent, honey.
I'm go back.
Yeah, such a talent.
I'm really fast. You're very fast.
Careful. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Mama.
Wala, sobrang ganda talaga ng araw, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo, hindi siya mahangin. May araw. It's still a bit cold.
This opening.
Yeah, the police open it, honey. Oh no, get it. Pick it up. Oh, come on. Go to the park.
It's opening. It's opening.
The police opened it. Nauna na, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Very excited. Give that to Mommy B. Your toy so you can climb. Yay! Very exciting. I'll give it back to you when you're up here now.
There's my toys.
Yeah, it's yours. But you can't go up there with a toy in your hand. Well, you can, but you have to be very careful.
No, Mommy.
Sige na.
How, Mommy? Paris.
Oh, Paris. Good job, my love. Well done. Whoa. The big girl slide. The big girl slide. Whoa. Paris next. Whoa. Are you okay?
Oh, what is that?
It's a bee. Careful.
This one. Look at phone.
Careful. Nak, you're not wearing the right shoes, manak. Oy, ligyas man na imong shoes, nak.
Look, you have baby.
The baby is playing. Is Paris playing too?
Yeah, one day.
Hi.
It's too big.
Yeah. When Paris is big, you can do it, okay?
It's going big time.
Yeah. Just go to the big slide.
Big
Oh, that one there, nak. Oh, baba. That one there.
No.
No, you want the big one? Okay. Paris, slide again. Whoa! Woo! Good job, my love. Well done. Hold on to the horsey.
Baby. Baby.
Hold on, baby. Don't fall. Yeah, dig, 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 dig. Yeah, dig, 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 dig. Yeah, dig, 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 dig.
Hurry.
Yeah, kusog kay ang kabayo padagan ah.
Sit down the Paris.
Can mama sit down?
No, baby sit.
Oh, baby only. Yeah, dig, 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 dig.
Oh,
Woo! You
no
can,
small one.
yeah.
Hey, go.
Fit, go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
One.
Oh.
Whoa! Paris next. Woo!
I found you.
Are you okay?
I'm falling.
You're falling.
Look, it's falling.
Oh no! Pick up your toy.
Up in rivers. That's the rivers.
You're Super Paris.
That's the rivers.
Ay, Dr. Paris, not Super Paris. Fix the baby. Fix the baby, doctor.
Don't worry, I'm going to do it.
Okay. I'm not gonna worry then, if you say so. Ah, you're fixing it with the apple juice. Sit down. Do you want mama to help?
No, that's how to.
Okay.
This hurts.
Okay.
Okay, baby.
So it's okay, baby.
It's okay. That's pretty. That's all mommy. Mommy will like you.
Good girl.
Then
Good girl. Are you selling ice cream? Okay. Have you got a blue ice cream, please?
chocolate ice cream.
Oh, only chocolate ice cream. That will do. Can I please have two?
Chocolate ice cream?
Yeah, chocolate ice cream, please.
Okay. And go ice cream.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Nasa-swing na naman ang ating baby girl.
I push babies.
Push the baby. Do you want to sit on it?
No, I'm pushing babies.
Do you want to sit?
No, I'm pushing.
Oh, you're pushing baby. Okay. Yay! Good job pushing, honey. Well done. Wow! Wait! Wait! Sobrang saya ni Paris, guys. Kami na lang yung naiwan dito sa park. Umalis na yung iba. Andun siya sa ilalim ng slide. And you know what, guys? Sobrang saya ko din. Kasi pag nakikita ko si Paris na ganito kasaya, yung parang saya talaga na hindi matutumbasan ng kahit ano, guys. Sobrang happy talaga siya. Tingnan nyo, oh. Shh. Nagpatulong ako kay Daddy Mike, guys, kasi ayaw umuwi ni Paris. Sabi ko, pick upin mo kami kasi ang ating baby girl ay
Ice cream.
ayaw umuwi. Kailangan ko nang bumalik sa work ba?
Ice cream, baby.
Yeah. Welcome back later, nak, no? In the afternoon? After work ni Mama o ni Daddy. Yeah, let's go. We're going to the park again. Again. Jump. Yay. Guys, it's 5:20 ng hapon and ang family natin ay pupunta ng park. Kasi nga 'di ba kanina lunch break ko. Hindi enough kay Paris yung time niya sa park. Kaya sabi namin sa kanya, balik na lang kami and ayan nyo, tingnan nyo. She's very excited again. Pero naka-jacket na ako this time guys kasi medyo maginaw na. Pero ang ating Daddy Mike is always in siya big shorts. Hi, Nak! Come na pa. It makes me really happy talaga guys na pwede nang makalaro sa park ba. Kasi that's something that makes Paris really happy. Nakaka-entertain sa kanya. And also the fact na parang a little bit of normality na ba sa buhay namin. Unlike before na hindi talaga kami makapunta ng park kasi sarado. Oh, come mommy. Hang on, Mama will put the mask on. Marami ng mga tao sa park guys. Oh, mask muna ako bago ako pumunta doon. Medyo okay na rin tong ganito guys kahit na close pa yung mga shops. Basta yung park ay open para naman ang mga kids. Marami ding mga kids kanina guys doon naglalaro. Nakikita ko rin maraming mga bata. Kasi parang naano sila ba? Ang tawag dito, parang nabugnot na kasi sila na palagi silang nasa loob ng bahay, hindi sila makapaglaro sa park. Kaya everyone got really excited today kasi first day nga today na inopen nila yung ano. So hopefully hindi na i-close guys, no? Kasi alam nyo guys, si Paris talaga na alam talaga ni Paris kasi before sinabi namin sa kanya na every time na we pass by the park kasi nilagyan nila ng mga ribbon na red yung mga ganun ang lahat ng park tapos yung mga swing nila parang binulibod and all para hindi talaga mapaglaruan ng mga bata ba. So sinasabi namin kay Paris na it's closed because of this and then yes, every time na naglalakad kami dito, sinasabi ni Paris na, Mommy, park is closed. The police closed the park. Ganyan. So, kanina, sobrang happy niya talaga. Sabi niya na, ang police daw, inopen na daw. Kaya nag-thank you sa police kanina. And, na-touch talaga ako, guys, nung sinabi ni Paris na, Mommy, Paris is happy. Ganon. Palagi niyang sinasabi talaga, guys, na Paris is happy daw. Alam niyo, sa murang edad ba, parang, alam na yung feeling na happy siya kasi yun nga, she's longing to play at the park guys and ngayon na nakakapaglaro na siya sa park, she's very happy and yeah, na-touch lang talaga ako guys sa aking baby girl. Anyways, ilagay na natin to guys para makapunta na tayo doon kasi Paris tinatawag na ako. Ang ganda ng mask na to guys, oh. May padding dyan ba na malapit sa ilong. I think that way hindi na mag-fog ang aking glasses. Baka yan ang mag-stop. The baby. The baby is gone. Yay! Super excited ng ating baby girl. Ayan nyo, oh. Ayan, may mga tao na dyan. Dito, merong naglalaro sa basketball court. Paris too big. Look at Bob, that's not your toy. Yeah, that's not yours. That's someone else's toy. Mama will go pick up yours at home.
Come on.
Akala niya sa kanya tong toy, guys. Huh? Yeah, it looks like yours, yeah? Yeah, it looks like yours, but that's not yours, anak.
No.
Akala niya talaga sa kanya. Come, let's go. Mama will get yours at home, okay? You stay with Daddy?
No, I need this one.
That's not yours, man, anak. We can't take someone else's toy.
No, I don't need.
Come on. Come on. Hala, katulad talaga sa kanya, guys. Hala, Daddy, oh. Daddy, oh. Hala, Daddy. Daddy, are you selling ice?
No.
Come on.
This one, this one.
Oh, Mama, go get yours, okay?
No.
Oh, let's go get yours. Come.
No, I don't want it.
But this one,
Mommy.
this one's not Paris' one.
It's not yours, anak.
Paris' one's on the bed.
Yeah, this one.
No, Paris' one's sleeping on the bed in the house. No, Paris' one is sleeping in the bed.
Guys, umuwi ako para kunin to guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Kasi ang ating baby girl ay sobrang iyak na doon. Kasi akala niya sa kanya yung laruan. The same talaga guys. Oh. Sobrang sabi niya talaga na that's mine. That's mine daw. Ah, Lord. Alam na alam ni Paris talaga yung laruan niya guys. Asa na kaya yun? Sana hindi na umiiyak.
I'm gonna do anything here. What's that?
Yeah, I told you that's not yours.
This is baby's one.
Yeah, that's baby's one.
Paris loves the doggy.
Look, Paris.
Yeah, that's yours. Mama took it from home. Are you happy now?
Yes.
Good girl. So you didn't have to cry, my love.
Mama, Paris, the doggy.
Oh, you like the dog?
Yes, that's hot doggy.
What's the color of the doggy?
Brown.
Brown?
Black.
Black.
Hey, it's bunny. It's bunny.
Funny.
Brown. It's funny.
Hey.
Say hi, doggy.
The doggy is nice.
This is baby's one.
Yeah, that's the baby's one there.
This is for Paris.
That's for Paris. That's yours.
Baby.
Paris, put your dolly on the slide.
Daddy.
Nawala yung daddy.
Daddy running.
Daddy running.
The daddy's running.
Daddy's running. Give up.
Baby. It's baby.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
That's it.
Catch it, baby.
You call. Call the doctor. The baby is sick.
No, baby's a boo-boo.
The baby is boo-boos.
It's cool.
Okay, call.
Hello? The baby shouting the boo-boos. The whatever that.
Is the doctor coming?
Says Dad's coming. A backers.
Okay.
A backers. Baby. Bye.
Bye. Bye to the doctor now. Is the doctor coming to fix the baby? Huh?
Bye.
Always be careful, alright?
I could treat on this.
What would you like?
I like.
You want rice? Mama has to cook rice.
I like the fish.
Baby, Mama will cook rice. You want this one? Mama will cook rice. Hala, na ano nang itagkanon. This one. Mama cook this. Have a look. Mama put in the oven. Yummy, yummy. Hi guys, it's now 7:30 ng gabi and we are getting our dinner ready. Naluto na pala ang ating kanin guys kasi diba si Paris kanina naghahanap siya ng rice daw. Kaya niluto namin and it's already cooked and we are just now cooking this one. Nakita niyo na to before. I told you ito talaga yung favorite ko. Yung mga maninipis na cut ng ano yung belly ba. Ayan. Lalo na pag crispy siya guys, sobrang sarap. Ang ating baby girl pala ay nandun nanonood ng kanyang DP. Alam niyo naman. Here's our Daddy Mike guys. Ayan, siya ang ating chef for tonight. Hi! What's Daddy cooking? What's the... Hi friends! Oh, no. The rice is cooked na. Oh! What's that? Make juice. Yeah, Daddy will make juice. Are you happy now? Are you happy that the park is open? Yeah, it's open now. Are you going to school tomorrow? Aren't you? Rice is cooked. We're just waiting for this one. We're gonna have dinner. Huh?
No.
want rice?
I'm taking here. I'm back.
Have a look in the oven, oh. We've got this thing in the oven too. Excuse me, Daddy.
Not ready yet, Mum. Not even close.
Yeah, Bob, have a look. The bread is just there for a little bit, Bob.
Okay.
Wow! Do you like that one? Do you like the bread? We're gonna put butter on the bread. Okay? Thumbs up? Good girl. Guys, napaka-good girl ni Paris today, guys. She's been a really good girl. But, Mama is very proud. Let's do the bread. Okay, we'll get the butter. Hold it. Yeah. Show them, Tita. Show Tita and Tito. Here's our butter, guys. We're gonna put it on the bread. So here's our butter.
Here's butter. Fire. Eating.
Here's our bread, guys. Ayan. First fish sa taas. Paris is putting butter. One. Work at it. Not big. Like this, not off. Whoa. Put it here. Good job. Paris is doing a great job, guys. So, nilalagyan ni Paris ng butter. Well done.
Baby.
Oh, more. Put more. You put more. Ang sarap dito, guys, oh. Maganda to siya pang snack lang ba? Sa hapon, nagkakape ka. Wala kasing pandesal malapit dito sa amin. Okay, put it here. Put it here. Good girl. Put the whole butter ba? Yay! Put the other one. Here you go. So, 9 o'clock ng gabi, ipapatulog na natin ang ating baby girl kasi nakahilamos na siya at nakapag-toothbrush na rin and ready na siya for bed. And tomorrow is Tuesday, so my childcare si Paris, kaya she's going to sleep now. Aren't you, honey? Honey girl? Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na pagsubaybay at sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. And sa ating mga bagong subscribers dyan, welcome sa ating channel at sana na-i-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And of course, sa ating mga existing subscribers na hindi kami niiwan at palaging nanonood ng mga videos namin, super thank you din sa inyo. And now we're going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Maria Teresa Ramos Magsisi from Calapan Oriental, Mindoro. Shout out to Lisan Bansil. Shout out to Cherry Ramos and family. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Presi Kunsad, Riz Chano, Home Cooking from United Kingdom. Shout out to Marie Vic Valcorza. Shout out to Arin Panurel, Chari Salazar, and also Salazar family and Duares family. Also, shout out din daw kay Lyra Fernandez from Silay City, Negros Occidental. Shout out to Gigi and Laika Vlogs, Rosana Mansueto, LV Montealegre, Elsa Navales, Jonah Rees, Lorna Gonzaga, Felina Rodriguez, and also shout out daw sa kanyang fiancé na si Mr. Graham Scott from Brisbane, Australia. Hello! Shout out to Gladys Mandanhuyan, Cherry May Ungayo, Lina De Los Santos, LV Real, Melincia Apundar, LV Montealegre, Fe Vivar, Rosemary La Rosa, Janzi Pinay, Australia, Vicky Inot. Shout out to Simply Ree, Patricia Mondoyo, Matski TV Official, Mary Jane Subere, Jay Cruz, Gracia Calzado, KD Jack 16, Ursula Chusen, and Myla Alonso. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't...
Bye-bye.
Where? Here's the camera now. Here. There.